Hi guys, as you probably know, Chevrolet Express and GMC Savana has small side view mirror, and the rear view is often completely blocked. To solve these issues, we installed two cameras in this vehicle. There is one camera in the back. Image gets transmitted to this digital mirror. We actually did a separate video about this installation, link will be in the description. And today we want to concentrate on the second one. As you can see, there is another camera mounted underneath the right side view mirror, and the image gets transmitted to the second digital mirror, which we installed right here. This allows to eliminate the blind spots when you're changing lanes or do parallel parking, and in general it gives you a broader view behind the vehicle when you drive. This device gets connected to the 12-volt outlet inside the vehicle. Here we have the rear view camera. This allows us to see what's going on behind the vehicle. And as I said, the side view camera allows us to completely eliminate this blind spot here. Here it is. We mounted it using this metal bracket, which came with a set. The wire goes through this opening here and goes inside. We had to drill the hole. Then the wire goes through this rubber boot and reaches the device right here. Right now we'll go for a short drive and show you how it works, and in the end of the video we will show how the installation was done. This is our rear view camera, shows us what's going on behind the vehicle, and here we have the side view mirror. As I said before, the original mirror gives you a very limited picture of what's going on, and you can tell that the new one is significantly wider and shows you a lot more. From the driver's perspective, it's gonna be something like this, and I can barely see anything past the middle of the white vehicle, and in this mirror I can see the whole vehicle and even beyond the vehicle. And right now you can't even see the white vehicle, but it's clearly can be seen in the new digital mirror. Show you again the original. You can see the BMW, and this is BMW in the new digital mirror. By having this new camera, you can see what's going on in all three lanes on the right of the vehicle. And right now the digital mirror shows us this silver vehicle, and in the OEM I can't see it. As I said before, the camera was mounted right underneath the side view mirror. If you decide to do this installation, you can adjust the angle, whichever you like it. This is how we did it. And as I said, this is the view that we get. One thing I want to point out is that this digital mirror is not meant to completely replace the OEM, but it gives you this extra ability to see more, basically, than what the OEM gives you. Right now we'll show you how it works at night, and then we'll show you how the installation was done. We chose this location for our blind spot camera. As you can see, we had to drill two pilot holes first in the plastic, and then we used the existing the bracket that came with the camera and two small screws to secure it in place. This is approximately the angle that we chose, so it's going to look kind of sideways like this. But you can experiment yourself and choose the proper position for your camera. This is a hole that needed to be drilled in order to put the wire through, because it has this kind of connector. Drilling the hole in this area allows us to easily pull it through like this. Later on you can also use some silicone to close this opening. And one more time, this is our digital mirror. We have two wires. One of them goes to the power and one goes to the side view camera. The power wire goes underneath of this weather stripping, then goes underneath the plastic cover and exits from this small opening hole which we had to drill. And as you can see, we used the existing 12-volt outlet. The camera wire at first takes the same path, but then it reaches this rubber boot, which can be easily removed, and exits from here. Later it will get connected to the wire that goes from the side view mirror. Now the wire from the mirror will go through this sound deadening element, which goes between the mirror and the body of the vehicle. Again, we had to make a small hole in order to be able to pull the wire through. And now we'll use the existing bolts to secure the mirror. Now we will install the cover. And the boot. And here we have one more plastic cover, which will go back here. After you reinstalled that side panel, you will need to tighten these bolts. Reinstall and tighten them.